The Antichrist is a powerful world-dominating leader who opposes God and Christ. He is the devil in flesh. The false prophet is a religious leader who deceives people and promotes false worship, often in support of the Antichrist. And what is their relationship? The false prophet is often seen as a religious right-hand man to the Antichrist, helping to spread the Antichrist's message and influence through deception and false religious claims. What is their final outcome? Both the Antichrist and the false prophet are ultimately defeated and cast into the lake of fire. Revelation 19:20. And the beast, the Antichrist, was seized and overpowered, and with him the false prophet. These two were hurled alive into the lake of fire, which blazes with brimstone. Both of them are as evil as their father, the Satan. John 8:44. It is written, yes, amen.